Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henen kasngi kalai terik unaitung, kaseng telilang basketball akademik, kalarakhi kajing dapsis nam kanthi jong kene kaseng, kabelaseng yaka hakashitarik unaitung jong usnam arajar khanyo balalen. Kani kaslam aji kai hakajing la kai basketball, kalarakhi yakni kasngi bukarpang jongka dai kijing la kai baper kantop yaka basketball ka fancy dress kajing kop ruai bat shot bat yakni kajing rakhe la pelong hapo polidio school jayau shillong. Kane ke kan hon kelas dangi ke sen jam jongka ban aji kai ki khna haki kerdan baper nadu ki khna ki badang hapo sansnam karta hadu ki samaru kumjo. Kajing temu jong kane kaslam aji kai kalong ban aji rap yakitu ki badan sap hakani kajing la kai. Hakani kasngi ke Batisi TV kalayo ru ban yakren bat u presiden jong ka telilang basketball academic uba dulan ban job kharsati kumjo bat uskatri uba Ethan Alrico rentatiang ki balai thu company sapang jong kane kaseng.
10 years old. I present myself in Blue House. I am dressed as a princess.
My name is Agatha Grace Inga. I am 11 years old. I am from Blue House and I am a Hawaiian girl.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
My name is
Hello.
Balajiat and I'm representing from the Red House, and the dress that I wear is Hawaii.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Piba Kordo Karshe. I'm 16 years old and I'm representing the red team. The dress that I'm wearing is a Hawaiian dress.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Jaden. I am 15 years old and I'm from the Yellow House. I'm going to act as a beggar.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Don Tony, and I'm presenting from the Blue House. I'm dressing up like, well, you know, doctor. Since I am a doctor, I suggest you everyone to wash your hands every day with Dettol. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Azania and I'm from the Blue House. I dress like an air hostess.
I can almost see it. They dream and dream. It's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I take it, every move I make feels lost without direction. My faith is shaking. For all the times that you rain my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't want to write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up. And baby, I've been moving on, and I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying You say it best when you say nothing at all.
You walk with me, footprints in the sand, and help me understand where I'm going. You walk with me when I was all alone, and help me understand where you go. It hurt to say, I promise you I'm always there. When your heart is filled with sorrow and despair, and I'll carry you when you need a friend. You'll find my footprints in the sand.
Chala ki iskum ki her ki siau ki ruai la de ka por ban thia ban dem ye kala janwan ki mracha sa nhung bat cha krem ki phet na ngai na chan la de ka por ban thia ban dem ngamar bit ka la chan ko song that min ta la de kas ni ka tai la sem ki sur jing ruai min ta ngan se ki kam baro la de hadrang li kena belang ki pot la ka besli ya la jing ri ki long ki lang shatre ki nyat ya ki haling kapat saki nong rep la surba tiang ki ruat Lạt nốt ngốc men ba cầm la đẹp Shala trep ban lek pai Kapur song thaj men ta la day Kasi ka tay la sep Ki sur jing ruai men tangan say Ki kam baro la day
To meet you where you've been, I could show you incredible things. Magic madness, heaven sent. Saw you there and I thought, oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Love's a game, wanna play. You many shouldn't tie. I can read like a magazine. When you miss fly, and I know you prayed about me. So hey, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one went. Grab a password at my hand. I admit the bad guy's good for a weekend. So gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got all this half-face covers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players, and you love the game. 'Cause the young and reckless, will take this way too far and leave you breathless, or with a nasty scar. Got all this half-face covers, they'll tell you I'm insane. But I've got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name. It's not that easy with you here, but I know I want you to stay. See, this could be us in a few years, but just admit you like to play. It's like every day I'm kicking rocks. I could fly away, but you got me at a complete stop. How do you manage to keep me going? Somehow you keep me from going. See, you distract me, but I'm distracted without you. I don't know know how to focus, baby, teach me how to. 'Cause I'm standing still, okay. But if you love me just like the way that I love you, I wouldn't mind a little comfort from you. Why do I let you in my head? And I gotta go sometimes, but you're always on my mind. You're not helping me, you're not helping me, you're not helping me. You're not helping me, you're not helping me, but I helplessly fall for you. What will I do without your smart mouth? Throwing me in and you kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on with that beautiful mind? I'm your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, I'm breathing fine. You're crazy out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose and win. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you.
And you to kill the radio star. Hit the radio, then we'll make a radio. Now I'm a star. Hit the radio, then we'll make a radio. Now I'm a star. Bitch me rolling back. It's funny how time has changed. Everybody is screwed now. It's all in the bed or internet way. It used to be you and Biggie. Chili Peppers gave it away. Now we got 10-year-olds in the back of the chest like those were the days. And seems so amazing to leave the days like those in touch. I'm the AM, so through the AM like I lost my clutch. Limping, just came in one state of King, turn it up, simply. I need some gin and juice, Snoop Dogg, I brought my cup. What's up? Okay, shut up, cause I think we had about love for radios and love for the love bugs. Let me give you a big hug, a bag of mushrooms here, take some drugs, and play some group home or something. She reminds me of the world's blue white. I can't seem to get you off my mind. Turn on the station, but I still facing.
Bottle whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. Leaving tomorrow, what you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my head, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round, the one with the prettiest of views. If the mountain is a river, there's a chance to give you shivers. Should be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Give me a second, I need to get my
time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn right up, let the sun.
Sedangkan dia tilang kadai ba ngila lap bun like kiknarit kimnon any extracurricular palat nak kon. So but khoi kishid ong ba it's only studies would give them life. But from my own experience as a sports personnel, dia ngabat co-founder jonga yang perkat kumno ba ke ka sport bangi ngila ben indulge lang ki ini na. Nia perkat namata kalaway so por bangi register ya kani ka tilang basketball academy ru amu to is tay ya kalaway ba kamut build a better future.
Ni sedang nak ki snam Hendriu Sheneng snam new snam prasnam di kidan hiru ki ba khamrang ba ki ba plat 25 plat 30 ru kidang wan join ni because ki su thu ko moto jungi ki su thu ba you know in life ka kam shude tangga train ka kam shude ka manusia be lagi of course ngidan ki responsibilities ngidan ki priorities but then bandan kamat ka boy khyaro ka de ka way ka badan kam kumba fitip ya ka moto jungi ka vision jungi kolong ba nginte ka laway jungi khna jungi ini ki generation ko menta ka kani ka pateng ka menta ne ki pateng ki bandang wan chkhmat kumnu ba kanum kani ka perthem ta kalaban ai ki jing offer jungka ke bar apa kut pede jungka sngil ne ki kalaban push ka jingjot ne ka jing sni sudah ndrei ni pedang ishim kata ni ko ban reach out ne ko ban le nam ta ka imlang salang sungi sedang yang kani ni khot ikhna ni wani kai ki om tang ka lek kai ni concentrate ki ha ka ru when it comes to sessions ni shim 6 years sheneng ni kidot ni we're welcome you know kibala maybe 30 35 40 50 we're always welcome because we want at least some anybody bakwa ban long fit ban long healthy kila ban wan hani.